Welcome to the real world of the music room. Sort of first, second week of November, getting ready, heading into my concert, which will be in December. If I look tired, it's because I've taught all day, but I've got stuff to do and tidy up. And I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you how I do two things for safety for my kids on the risers. I have 9 sections of these that I use, and a 4th step and railings and all sorts of stuff in the gym, but in my room there's not enough room for it. However, I want the students to get used to how to stand on those, and so I have 3 set up here for them to practice standing on. In my gym, they also go up a set of stairs before they go on to the risers, so we practice that. Leave nothing to chance and make sure that the safety issues are addressed. So we practice going up the stairs. My row 1 group will go down to the step they're going to stand on before they walk. They don't go across and then go down. They come on, they go down the stairs, row 1, and then they walk across. Now today I told them I'm going to show you this, but only once. It's wrong. I will only show you this once because it is just so wrong. Never, never, never do this. And that is, when you come on to the risers, you never come on like this. Which is really scary, even to demonstrate, because when you're not watching your feet, you can go just about anywhere. So, they should be watching their feet whenever they walk. They get to their spot, they get their feet in concert feet, and then they can find whoever they want. Mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, babysitter, next door neighbor, whoever they want to see. I have given up not getting them to wave because, well, they're in a concert and that's their people, and they want them to see them, so that's what they do. Now, what am I talking about when I say concert feet? That is concert feet. My feet are slightly apart, not too close to the front and not too close to the back. The reason I do that is if you stand with your feet close to the front, I'll go to the next step maybe, right up here. I don't know here. If your feet are too close to the front, if they by any chance do start to step, there's nowhere to go. If their feet are completely at the back and they go back, there's nowhere to go. In the middle, at least if they start to step a little bit, there's some leeway. And nobody's feet in my school are bigger than a riser step. So for me, plant yourself a little bit apart in the middle of the riser. Now, I love to do this, and I have done this for years and years and years, but the kids all know my shtick by now, so I thought this year I have to change it. But this is what I used to do. I get one child that said, now, who is the strongest kid here? And some burly kid will say, I'm the strongest. I said, okay, you stand up, put your feet really tight together like this. Do you think I can make this person move their feet with just my pinky finger? And they'll say, no, you can't do that. So I said, okay, here I go. May I push you? Yeah. So I take my pinky finger and I just gently push on their shoulder, and as soon as you put them at all off balance, they have to move or they fall over, either one. So be prepared to catch them, because sometimes just to prove a point, they will not move their feet. So I pick the biggest teacher in our school and I say, now, even so-and-so in our school, if they came in here and put their feet tight like that, I would be able to make them move their feet with just my pinky finger. But now move your feet a little bit apart. Now you're balanced. You can move this way, you can move that way, you can move this way, you can move that way, and you don't fall down. You don't be dangerous, you are completely safe. Also, don't lock your knees, because that's why kids faint. So, you're standing with your feet slightly apart, you're relaxed, you can stand there all day and be safe. All right, so that's my ordinary, usual, last 20 years shtick. So, I decided, I had a group of students that I said, now, what about your feet? They go, you can knock somebody down. So I knew they knew what I was going to do. So I thought, okay, I got to change it. So I said, all right, Hannah, come over here. This will be better. So I said, everybody stand up and put your feet like this. I'm going to call that tippy feet. So there's your tippy feet. Okay? Now show me concert feet. A little bit apart. Now show me football feet. 24, 97, 97, hut! And of course they all go, hut! Like that. So okay, now show me concert feet. Tippy feet, snowboarder feet, okay, concert feet, football feet, hut, concert feet, tippy feet, concert feet. So from here on, all I'm going to have to say when they're on there is say, show me concert feet, and they'll remember that. Besides, it's fun. there's some safety things, but some fun ways to get to your safety things. And the funny part of this is I had grade 5s in here this morning, and I said, do you want to see what I'm doing with the little kids? And they go, yeah. I said, okay, everybody sit up. And I said, this is what I'm doing. So I got them to do it, talking to them about what I was doing with the little kids. Well, they had just as much fun doing that as the younger students did. And it still proved the point and put it in their brains how I want their feet, but it wasn't that I was getting them to do it. They were just doing what the little kids had done earlier. So there's some tips and tricks. Have a great day doing football feet, put, concert feet, and make music a great and safe part of your day.